5 home remedies for dry mouth. Dry mouth, medically known as xerostomia, is a very common problem faced by many. Dryness in the mouth can be due to changing in composition of saliva or reduced salivary flow. It is often a symptom of salivary glands not working properly, as it is often associated with aging, dehydration, stress, anxiety, snoring, depression, smoking, or drinking alcohol. Pregnant women or breastfeeding mothers may also experience dry mouth due to dehydration and hormonal changes. Dry mouth can also be a side effect of certain medications used to treat depression, nerve pain, neuropathy, and anxiety, as well as some antihistamine, decongestants, muscle relaxants, and pain medications. First, increase fluid intake. Dehydration is one of the most common reasons behind dry mouth. So, the best thing you can do is to increase your fluid intake to keep your body hydrated. Proper Proper hydration will make it easier for your body to produce more saliva and help get rid of the symptoms of dry mouth. Consume an ample amount of water throughout the day. If you cannot drink water, suck on small pieces of ice. Eat partially frozen chunks of water based like fruits and vegetables like pineapple, watermelon, and cucumber. Drink smoothies, fruit juice, or vegetable juice. Drink 1 to 2 glasses of coconut water daily. Avoid caffeinated beverages, sodas, and alcoholic drinks as they can contribute to dehydration. Second, cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper stimulates saliva production, making it one of the best remedies for dry mouth. Also, it will help bolster the taste buds so you can better distinguish sour, sweet, salty, and bitter flavors. Press a little bit of ground cayenne pepper on a wet finger, then rub it all around your tongue. This may cause a burning sensation for some time, but it will stimulate your salivary glands. Also, sprinkle cayenne pepper powder in your soups, salads, and other dishes. Alternatively, you can take cayenne pepper capsules after consulting your doctor. Third, fennel seeds. The flavonoids in fennel seeds stimulate the flow of saliva and hence helps get rid of dry mouth. Plus, their aromatic flavor helps combat bad breath that accompanies dry mouth. Munch on fennel seeds several times a day to treat a dry mouth. You can also mix together equal amounts of fennel seeds and fenugreek seeds. Dry roast them in a pan, grind them thoroughly, and add a little salt. Eat half teaspoon of this mixture after each meal. Fourth, slippery elm. Slippery elm contains mucilage. Due to this substance, it becomes a slick gel when mixed with water. This gel helps coat and soothe the mouth as well as throat. Plus, it can effectively relieve many discomforts associated with dry mouth. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of slippery elm to a cup of hot water. Cover and allow it to steep for 10 minutes. Strain, add honey, and drink this tea twice daily. Another option is to prepare a paste with some slippery elm powder and enough water. Apply it inside the mouth. Leave it on for a few minutes and then rinse your mouth with the water. Do this once or twice daily. Fifth, oil pulling. Oil pulling, an ancient Ayurvedic practice, helps keep your mouth moist and thus is very helpful in treating dry mouth. Oil pulling can be done with coconut oil, sesame oil, or any other edible vegetable oil. Put 1 tablespoon of extra virgin coconut oil in your mouth, leave it in for a few minutes, and then rinse your mouth with water. Do this once or twice daily.